This is a 1987 Holmes Air 12-inch desk fan, model HAOF-1200. Got this fan at a thrift store for $5. Overall, it's in pretty good shape. The only thing wrong with it is missing the original oscillator button. Other than that, it's perfect. It's definitely a very pink fan. There isn't one part on this fan that isn't pink, except for the oscillator button now, which would have been pink at one point. Other than that, everything is pink, even the cord. Yeah, it's kind of an interesting fan just because of its color, and I'm assuming there was something else written here at one point, because right here it says by Holmes Air. That's what that says, so who the heck knows what this thing might have been branded at some point. Maybe Comfort Edge or something. But anyway, that's it for this video, so as usual, thank you guys for watching, and I hope all you guys enjoyed.